Hey, it's your girl Chab, and today I'm coming at you with a get unready with me. It's probably the end of the day for y'all, and you're just tuning in and stuff, and you're like, I just want to take off my makeup, but I need me a companion, somebody who I can call a friend or a Chab, and that's me. I'm Chab. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how to properly take off all your makeup, or at least most of it, get a little doodle out of your eyes and stuff. So we're gonna have fun. We're gonna do a little kiki and stuff, a little slumber party. Hey girl, I'm here. I ain't got no friends. I got nothing else to do. I'm just gonna be taking off my makeup so you can see the true me. The true me. So if you want to know how to properly take off your makeup with your girl Chab, then let's get started. All right, y'all. So the first thing I like to do when I take off my makeup is remove my eyelashes. Now, if you guys are wearing the non-latex glue, the glue that is like really sticky, you're probably gonna want to use a makeup remover. My recommendation for a makeup remover is I have the Up and Up, which is from Target. This is the eye makeup remover liquid, and this is compared to the Neutrogena oil-free makeup remover right here. It's a bi-phase liquid, and you shake it up and stuff. It's oil mixed with some other ingredients and stuff, and then you could take a Q-tip and go over your eye and remove the glue and stuff so you're not tugging on your eye. But girl, this is nothing. All right, eyelashes are off. I look like a different person. We are crazy looking. So I also like to use the same product to remove my eye makeup. So I'm gonna use that on one of my eye. I'm gonna take just a little, just cotton or whatever. You just take a little bit, you go like that. Get it nice and wet because we got a lot of makeup on. We're gonna remove the makeup off our eye. So like what I do is I just leave it on for like a couple seconds, and it's got a little bit of an oily residue. You know, it's whatever. And then I just start to gently wipe over the eye. We don't want to pull and tug on the eye because it'll cause premature aging and your girl trying to look 18 when she's 35. I'm not 35. I'll take this like above onto the eyebrows too, just to remove that nonsense. Look how skinny my eyebrow is. Okay, another product that I like to use on my eyes to remove my eye makeup, and this one gets a little messy. This is TheBalm. Balms Away, fortified with vitamins A, C, and E, and plant-derived lipids. It is like an eye makeup breakup. That's what it's called. But it looks like Vaseline, but it's not Vaseline. And you just take a little bit on your hand and stuff, and then you just rub it all over this area of your eye. So that's what I'm gonna do. So you just do that. Don't get in your eye because it freaking hurts. Then I take a tissue and I just wipe off the excess, whatever residue I have left. I look crazy. I look like a mess. I'm gonna go in with my favorite wipes at the moment. These are the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. This is the fragrance-free version. I'm just going to take one wipe right here, and then I'm just gonna remove all of the face makeup and also my lipstick. So that's all my makeup, little towelette here. So sometimes what I like to do is right after I take off all my makeup with my towelettes, I will go in with my cleanser. This is the Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser for normal to oily skin. You know, your girl got oily skin right here in the T-zone, so that's what I like to use because it removes excess oil. Hashtag not spawns, okay? Sometimes I'll use my Clarisonic, but for this case, because my face feels just a little tiny bit, a little irritated right now, I'm probably gonna skip this. If you have sensitive skin, just make sure you use the sensitive head on these guys. But sometimes when I want like a deep clean, like if I gone out for the night and I'm wearing a ton of makeup, I'll go in with this just to remove all of the dirt and oil that's in my pores. But for right now, I'm just gonna use this guy right here. All right guys, so I'm gonna go wash my face with my Cetaphil and I'll be right back. He knew again. All right guys, so next I'm gonna be going in with my Garnier Skin Active Soothing Mist made with rose water, made without parabens, dyes, or silicone. Anyway, so I'm gonna use this facial spray. It's kind of like a toner to kind of like soothe my skin because I have a rosacea. This is my true form, y'all. All right, so now that I spray that onto my face, I'm just going to do a little bit of that, press it into the skin, double chin. My skincare is literally like nothing because I don't know anything about skin. If y'all wanna let me know how to do skin and skincare and all that stuff, you can leave a comment down below, send me a DM on Instagram, because I would love to know how to get rid of wrinkles and things like that, because your girl is closer to 30 than she is to 20. Anyway, speaking of wrinkles, I've been using currently my St. Ives Timeless Skin Collagen Elastin Moisturizer. It visibly reduces appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I like this stuff right here because it's not too heavy on the skin, but it leaves me feeling moisturized, and I like to apply a ton of this at the end of the night. So I'll either use this guy right here, or I'll use my little Origins High Potency Vitamins Rich Renewal Cream right here. So I like to use this stuff at night as well. I haven't been using it lately though, so I've been just going to this stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go in here. I don't use an eye cream because I feel like eye creams are pointless, especially if you got something that's already got like skin loving ingredients or whatever. I don't know, maybe that's just me. Again, I don't know too much about skincare and things like that. I used to know a whole lot when I worked at Sephora, and all that information is just it's gone. So yeah. And lastly, can't forget the lips. I'm gonna be taking my Laneige Sleeping Lip Mask here, and I'm just going to apply this. I'm gonna just take the back of my nail, and I'm just gonna apply this to my lips. Good to go. All right guys, so this is my get unready with me routine right here. This is what I do whenever I take off my makeup at the end of the day. I do every single step right here. It's not a whole lot of steps or anything. It's not a whole lot of, you know, like fanciness or whatever, because I'm too tired for anything. I'm too tired to put on this and that and this and that or whatever. This is literally what I do at the end of the day to remove all my makeup and get ready to go to bed. I'm just not in tune with all of the skincare and stuff. I mean, if you guys want to school me on this, I would love that very much, because as far as I know right now, like, my skin is my skin. It hasn't changed since I was like 18. My skin's always been the same or whatever. I am noticing a little bit of wrinkles and things like that, but for the most part I don't break out too much except for right here. But yeah, so that's it really. That's how I remove my makeup, and that's how I get unready for the day so I can go to bed and sleep all happy. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on all these social medias down below right here. And ding ding, hit that notification bell, because your girl make new videos every Friday. Leave a comment down below. What do I need to add to my skin routine and stuff like that? What do I need to add? Let me know in the comments down below. And let me know if you have any questions or what you would like to see next. As always, thank you for watching. Bye. I'm just gonna be taking my makeup off, guys. I'm gonna do it. Get ready. Unready. Get ready. Biophase? No. Hello? Oh, I shook it too much. Oh man, she got little air bubbles. Speaking of wrinkles, I'll be leave a comment down below if you have what? I tested it and I clean.